8 good luck plants to place indoor. Plants are known for giving a fresh and alluring look to your garden, but according to few traditions, they can also bring luck and positivity to your home. So, in the post today, we want to share 10 good luck plants to place indoors. They are so easy to grow indoor without requiring a lot of care. Most of them adapt well to all conditions, even some still thrive in your oblivion. If you feel like you are not having the luckiest time of your life, it's time to consider planting some of these 8 plants that are considered to be good luck plants and see if they work for you. 1. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is one of the best plants considered to bring positive vibes, wealth, and good luck in your life. It has a specific number of stalks, and it is believed that the more stalks in the arrangement, the greater are the blessings. It is also considered as a Valentine gift to a man. 2. Money plant. Money plants are often recommended to keep inside the house as they bring good luck and activate positive energy in day-to-day lives. It purifies the polluted air inside your house and enhances the flow of oxygen. Some people claim it reduces stress and creates a relaxed and positive atmosphere in the home. 3. Jade plant. Jade plant's leaves are certain to bring good fortune. So, place it near the entrance of your house or office to bring prosperity and success. It is also the ideal gift for a businessman, so if your husband is a businessman, it is a great gift for Valentine's Day. For orchids, orchid in your house brings happiness and heightens the sense of contentment in your life. Orchids attract love in your life and deepen your bond with your loved ones. Purple orchids are believed to bring good luck in your life. They are considered to bring love and fertility in the home as well. 5. Basil. Basil is a culinary herb and also known as a great good luck plant. A basil plant is believed to bring love, wealth, luck, and happiness in your life. 6. Snake plant. Did you know that it has been scientifically proven that this good luck plant absorbs the poisonous gases in the air? Snake plant makes a great indoor houseplant that will create a refreshing aroma and beautify your indoor space. Apart from good fortune, this plant also provides you health benefits. 7. Peace lily. The elegant white flowers of peace lily can enhance the beauty of any decor. This plant signifies peace, purity, and harmonizes the energy of the house. 8. Citrus. Said to bring prosperity and positive vibes, these citrus plants also look good while bringing luck to your home. Thank for your watching our channel.